sorry. Ern! You alright? You want me to get a ref? Can you get up? You need help? You hit head first into this. Ern, I'm gonna get a ref. Are you okay?
No,
it's not alright. You okay?
Yeah.
You gotta get up. You're gonna get shot and hurt more. Stand up. Show me you can stand up. Jesus Christ. Ern, holy shit. How did that happen? You okay? Your eye pro is broken. Keep it on. You gotta get off the field. You need help?
No.
Keep your eye pro on. No, Ern. Your gun broke. Hit! Your gun broke, dude. Get off the field, dude. Your head is smashed open. Your head is smashed, dude. Hit! Fuck. Hit! This way! Behind you! This way! He's on the left! Hit! Why would you, Aaron, what do you, don't do? Friendly. Holy shit. Where they at? Aaron, is that you? Alright, Aaron. Yeah, go in front of me, Come on, lead the way. Yeah, let's work around. Let's take this. Let's take it. I think we're good. Take it, Ern, take it. We got a guy with us, we're good. Good. Got him. Tight shit, Ern, tight shit. Let's take it. Reload. Okay. Hit! Woo! Hit! Full squat. Hey! I need help. He's down here. No, he's down the hall like 30 feet. 30 feet on the right. He ducked in on the right. Oh, shit. Good trade, good one. I'm going here. Good shit, good shit. He's in there! Ernie's in there! He's in there, Ern! He's in that room! Holy shit! He's out of the room. He's in the other door. He's over that wall, Ern. He's on the other side. The other room. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We pushed up to their spawn. Are we good? What do you see? What's in the door? Earn the door on the left. Come on, come on. We're in this. Coming. They're coming through this door. They're gonna come through. Hit! Alright, let's go! Let's go! I just respawned. I made it back here before you. Let's get it. They're coming on the left. Friendly. Same team. Hit. We're getting massacred. Fuck this. It's a fresh clip. Now we need a fresh clip. Come on, you're on the same clip. Now let's get this. There. Take that one. Keep moving. Move. Yeah, that was good shit. Yeah, he's behind that barrel. I could barely see him. Give me some cover. Same time, go. Sorry. He's still there. He's behind the barrel. Go. He didn't call it, right? Fuck. I don't see him. I think he moved up. Oh, shit. Yo, let's get out of here. I'm pinned down now. This is crazy. almost had him. That's like the third time that guy sneaks up behind me. He's in the room! He's in the room! Trey, good one. Dude, I'm on your team. Take it. Take the corner. Cover that door. Yep, Ern, move it. They're coming, Ern. We gotta make a move. We gotta make a move. Up and over. Take it. Friendly. Ern, they know I'm here. Hit, 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 hit. Cover me, cover me. Hit, hit, hit.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Cover me. Right there. Hit, hit.